In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually remove Istartsurf.com from Firefox step by step so you can clean up your browser, fix unwanted redirects, and get your settings back to normal. This is a simple process, and we'll start by removing any suspicious software from Windows, then we'll clean up your browser shortcut, and finally we'll reset the search settings inside Firefox. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to uninstall anything related to Istartsurf from your computer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel, then open it. Inside Control Panel, click on Uninstall a program under the Program section. This will show you a full list of installed software on your PC. Now take your time and look through the list carefully. Search for Istartsurf or any program that looks unfamiliar, especially anything that was installed around the time the problem started. Sometimes unwanted browser hijackers come bundled with other software, so if you see anything suspicious, click on it once and then select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove it completely. After that, the next step is to clean your desktop browser shortcut. This part is really important because some browser hijackers change the shortcut target, so Firefox opens a website automatically every time you launch it. To do this, right-click your web browser shortcut on the desktop and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Shortcut tab. Now look at the target box. Normally, it should end with the browser's file path, like Firefox exe. If you see anything after the .exe, such as a website address like http://www.istartsurf.com, delete everything after the .exe. Make sure you do not remove the actual browser file path itself. Once it looks clean, click Apply, then click OK. Now we'll move into Firefox itself and change the search settings. Open Mozilla Firefox, then click the hamburger icon in the top right corner, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, click Search on the left-hand menu. Under Default Search Engine, choose a safe search engine that you trust, such as Google or another legitimate option. If Istartsurf.com was set as your search provider, changing this here will help stop the unwanted redirects and bring your searches back to normal. While you're in Firefox, it's also a good idea to check for any unknown extensions or add-ons that you don't recognize, because browser hijackers often install those too. If you find anything suspicious, remove it. At this point, your system should be much cleaner. You've removed suspicious software from Windows, cleaned the browser shortcut, and changed the Firefox search engine to a safe option. If the issue was caused by a simple browser hijacker, this should solve it. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.